Good morning. I have a few things I need to do today. I had my relief valve replaced on a hot water heater because it was leaking and it's still leaking. So I talked to Sean and he said, and I don't understand this, but there's a air pocket or something in there that could be causing it to do that. So he wants me to drain the water out of it and then fill it back up and see if that corrects it. So that is what I'm going to do today. So I've had the water heater off for several days because I don't want hot water. But you can see where this is the new relief valve and it drips down here and then it's gonna rot it out. Do I have something that I can get this out of? I know I have a big crescent wrench, but I don't know if I can get in there with the crescent wrench. A socket would be wonderful, but I don't know if I have one that size. So let's see if I can find something to get this out and drain this thing. So I just realized I haven't eaten breakfast and I started my projects. One problem that we've had with Finn is, well, it's not probably Finn's problem, it's my problem, is when I drive, I eat pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds or whatever, and they end up all down here, and this becomes a big mess. But since we've gotten Finn decides he needs to test everything out, and I have a little, this is what I use for my little trash can, and I spit seeds in there, whatever, napkins, whatever, and then I dump it at the gas station. And so he started pulling napkins and all kinds of stuff out of there. So Deborah bought me this. Isn't it cute? It's a little cup holder trash can. Now we both use our cup holders, so there's not any water in there, is there? No. So it can't really sit in one of these, so I just have been leaving it there. So now I'm out here cleaning this up. And he decides he wants to get into the sunflower seeds and the pumpkin seeds, and so I can't have that either. So the other day I was at Walmart and I just picked up these little containers, and I know it doesn't hold the whole thing. I may find something else later, but these will fit down in there. And it came in 3s. So I have 2. I finished the sack of the pumpkin seeds, and I have 3 of the, he likes to chew on napkins too, so we got to keep those up and out, and I just need to clean my truck and keep it cleaned better. So these, once I get all this cleaned out down here, yeah, this is live in your truck. Live in your truck. Oh, peanuts. See, this is what happens. Okay. So, I can put these, well, that's where those don't go in here. Clothes. That. And that can go right there. Lotions. I think this one's about empty. Toothpick, lotions. This will go here. Cute little trash can. I love it. And these I need to put up somewhere else. Alright. And then what I can do with these is seal it up and put it in my console here. And it will be all nice and neat and fin-proof. Look at there. It's fin-proof. And I'll put this one We can ride right there. Ah, very cool. Very cool, fin proof. All right, I have my hot water heater running again. I was not able to remove the, yeah, it's still leaking. That plug, and that also has an anode in it. My last hot water heater didn't have that, but this one does. But I'll have a socket to remove that plug. So I'm gonna have to get one, and I should have one on hand anyway. So I went ahead and turned on the hot water heater because I need to wash my hair. I got to do some errands today, and yeah, I'm not going anywhere or be on camera because I need to wash my hair real good. So, or I need to wash my hair before I go. So much prettier view out there. Yeah. So I'm just kind of getting ready to roll. Actually, I've done a lot of organizing this morning. Looking for a socket, and then I just did those seeds and all that. I need to put a few things away back here. Yeah, I bought the other day when I was at RV Lifestyle, I bought some more skid stuff because I need to replace that again. It doesn't last very long, but I have to probably once every 2 years, replace the skid stuff because I don't want Sammy's toenails to get stuck in there when she's going in and out. So I need to do that pretty soon. Alright, now I'm cooking Sammy's food. You know I do this every 3 or 4 days. I'm always cooking Sammy's food. I gotta get this done before I can go into town and dump, if I even get to town today and do that, because I still got to get ready to roll, and we know how long that can take. Especially when you've been sitting for a little while. Yeah, I've got to put a bunch of stuff up, and of course I need to do some dishes before I go too. So we'll see if I even get that done today. Yeah, I'm running a little late today on getting stuff done. I am making me a grilled cheese sandwich. How do y'all make your grilled cheese sandwiches? I put mayonnaise on mine, and this is not Velveeta. I'll just call it American cheese. I think it's Walmart brand. I don't buy much specific items. This is Walmart brand. Do you like real mayonnaise or Miracle Whip? What is your preference? I'm using my little bitty pot because I'm gonna fix some tomato soup. Alright, I'm gonna warm up some tomato soup. Sammy says, here I come. Got mayonnaise on me, got tomato soup on me. Tastes just like tomato soup. I have not had tomato soup, and I don't know when. So I'm kind of looking forward to this. Cooking my little pan here. Oh, I need to cook my sandwich first. And yes, I need to clean my stove. It's not going to happen right this second because I'm hungry. I actually forgot to eat breakfast this morning. That never happens. How does that happen? It doesn't. I got into working on that water heater, and then ended up organizing all my stuff in my truck, and ended up not going into town at all. as of yet, because I'm hungry. So we gotta eat first. We gotta eat first. And I need to go dump and get water before I can do dishes, because my tank is really full. So I had to use a skillet. I'm using the skillet less and less, so it might have to stay at home base. But just like now, I'm using it. The thing, oh, my soup is like on high. This tomato soup says it's concentrate. Do y'all add water, or do you just eat it straight out of the can? Oops. My aunt used to make the best tomato soup out of a can. And of course, I used to love to put saltines in it till it was almost solid. I haven't eaten tomato soup in I don't know when. I used to love it. Alright, our butter is ready. I just don't eat much soup. But I think my aunt's secret ingredient was garlic powder. Garlic powder in your tomato soup. Yeah. I have some saltines, which I normally don't have, so I'm probably going to have some butter on saltines and grilled cheese sandwich. And this is a grilled cheese on sourdough bread. Yeah. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh man, I just love tomatoes. I've got to start eating it more in the winter. I really like it. Need to make some homemade. Yeah. That's good. Oh, and you have to have pepper. I like lots of pepper in my tomato soup too. I'll start with that, and then I'll probably add more. I'm not going to put it in a bowl. I'm just going to eat it out of here. I'm liking my little cookware. Need to cook it a little slower so my cheese melts. I think my tomato soup is done. Turn that off. It's an easy, simple, frugal meal today. Yummy. My little boat. My little butter boat. You going swimming? Yeah. And grilled cheese with jalapeno on the side, fresh jalapeno, green onion, grilled cheese sandwich. Good. Good. Is that a Campbell's commercial? Y'all tell me below if that's a Campbell's commercial, because I can't remember. But this isn't Campbell's. Doesn't even want to be Campbell's.